Ready? Okay, next one. Whoa, good catch, Emily. Wow, that was good. Now, do you see any shells in here? You see that white thing right there? Have to take it out. And there's some things like that have to come out.